we're now going to look at writing in tolerance form. So this is working from the maximum minimum into getting into that plus or minus form that you've seen before. So what we've got now is we've got the maximum, and we need to find the middle number. So the way to find the middle of something is to add the numbers together and then divide by 2. Gives you 31. So 31 is in the very middle of 34 and 28. What you need to do now is find the plus or minus bit. So there's two ways of doing that. And one way is to take the bigger number and take away the middle, which in this case gives me 3. The other way of doing it you can actually use to check to make sure you got the right number, because the other way is to do the middle number, take away the lower one, the lower tolerance, and it should give you the same number if you've done it correctly. So then what we do is write 31 centimeters plus or minus 3. And I have also seen in some places that they write 31 plus or minus 3 centimeters, but either one is perfectly acceptable. Right, 450 is the maximum and the minimum is 425. So I'm going to add the two numbers together first. Gives me 875. And I'm going to divide 875 divided by 2. Okay, which gives me 437.5. Okay, obviously you can do it on a calculator, you don't have to do it in your head. What I'm going to next is I'm going to take one away. So I'm going to do 450, take away 437.5, which gives me 12.5. And then again, you should be able to do 437.5, take away 425, and that's going to give you 12.5 as well. So our middle is 437.5 milligrams plus or minus 12.5. Okay, example 3. We've got a maximum of 31 and a minimum of 30.02. So remember how to find the very middle of those two numbers is to add them together and then you're going to divide by 2. Again, that gives me 30.51. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do 31 minus 30.51, which is 0.49. Okay, so my tolerance form is 30.51 plus or minus, I'm going to put I prefer to put the milliliters in there, so milliliters plus or minus 0.49.